Hey everyone. All right, so we're back on the second part of this kit build. We got the body out, we put the neck aside. We're gonna be doing some other fretwork and getting the neck ready. We're also gonna be carving our logo into the neck. That's gonna be for another video. So this video, for this set, decided we're gonna add a third pickup to this guitar. So I'm gonna set up to match this cutaway to cut the next pickup in. So we're gonna just lay it out. That's kind of what we're doing now. We have our pickup ring laid out, but now we're gonna lay out for where we're gonna route. We're gonna do some hand routing on this one to get this set up for 3 pickups. Very unique build on this one. Some measurement. This guy here. Inch and 5/8. So we gotta get our center mark. 7/8. Between 6 till would be center. Correct. Okay. 15 and 16. Okay, well, let's say 1 5/8. So, center of 1 5/8. 7/16 to either side. There's the interest. Throw this for you. First one, you know it. Rustic Outlaw Guitars is in my garage, the shop where we build all the guitars. So there you can see we have our layout lines. I'm going to put these indentations in and set up to route. Next video.